how to fix Snapchat messages. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll down until you find Snapchat, click on it, and then click on this force stop here, and then click on data usage and make sure to enable mobile data, Wi-Fi and background data, and disable only this option down here. Now go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and after that disable it. Like this exactly. So now what you want to do is restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.